So, Lamai, in this video, we are going to discuss the answers for the question number from the question number 11 to 20. Right. So, in the question number 11, you are asking a computer in a network is configured with the IP address 192.248.16.91/25 and the subnet mask 255.255.255.128. So, subnet mask is not that much of important because you have given it in the CIDR notation. So, if it is in the CIDR notation, there is no problem with the subnet mask. You can identify the subnet mask. Which of the following IP address cannot be assigned to a computer in the same network? Right, Lama, this is in class C. The IP address is in class C. So the default subnet mask of a class C IP address is 255.255.255.0. The given IP subnet mask is 255.255.255.128. So if you compare these two, you can see one host bit has come to the network part. It means 2 to the power x equals 2 to the power 1 equals 2. It means there are two networks. Always the first network is the network which has 0 in its host part. It means 192.248.16.0. Then the second one, to find the second one, you have to find the block size. The block size is 256 minus 128. Block size is 128. So the second network is 192.248.16.128. So in the question, the given IP address 192.248.16.91 belongs to this first network. So you are asking which IP address cannot be assigned to a computer in this network. The answer should be the answer number 1. Right? Answer number 1. Because 161 is in the second network. So the answer for the question number 11 is answer 1. Then question number 12. Two machines with the IP addresses 192.248.16.30 and 192.248.16.90 are connected to a local area network. Which of the following is a suitable subnet mask for the network? So, Lamai, in this question, you can remove the answers 1, 2, and 5 because they are not in the format of real subnet masks. Right? Therefore, you can remove all those 3 answers. Therefore, we have only 2 answers, 3 and 4. So, Lamai, in the question, they are clearly saying that these two IP addresses, these two host addresses are in the same network. If these are in the same network, so you can understand that what? The IP addresses between this range are also in the same network. So if you count the number of addresses from 30 to 90, there are approximately 60 addresses. 60 addresses. So in your subnet mask which you are going to select, there should be the subnet mask should have the capability of having 60 hosts. So if you select the third answer 224, so in that subnet mask it has only 5 host bit. It means 2 to the power y minus 2, 2 to the power 5 minus 2, 30. So it can connect only 30 computers. Therefore, it cannot be taken as the answer. Therefore, answer for the question number 12 is answer number 4. Because if you select the answer number 4, you can connect more than 60 computers. Therefore, you should get the answer as 255, 255, 255, 128. Right? So I think you can understand what I'm saying. ළමයි මොනවා හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා නම් ඒක skip කරලා නිකන් ඉන්න එපා. At least මට personally message එකක් දාලා අහන්න. ඇයි මේක මෙහෙම වුනේ? කිසිම doubt එකක් තියාගන්න එපා. ඔයාලා අපිට doubts තියාගෙන ඉස්සරහට යන්න බෑ ළමයි. හරි? Right. Then the next question number 13. Which of the following is a correct IPv4 address? Lama, in IPv4 address, there cannot be values greater than 255. Therefore, answer number 2, answer number 4, and answer number 5 are incorrect. In the answer number 1, there cannot be more than 4 octets. Therefore, answer number 1 is also incorrect. Answer should be the third one for the question number 13. For the question number 14, local area network has 500 network devices. What is the most appropriate subnet mask for this computer network? So if there are 500 devices, it means 2 to the power y minus 2 is equals to 500. Then y should equals to 9. Approximately, you can get the answer as 9. So if y is 9, your subnet mask should be what? 255, 255. 254.0 right 254.0 bit 9ක් host පැත්තට දුන්නාම ඒ කියන්නේ බිංදුව ඒවා 9ක් තියෙන විදිහට ඔයා subnet mask එක හැදුවාම ඔයාට answer එක එන්නේ 255 255 254.0 answer should be the fifth one. Question number 15. The first and the last IP addresses of a subnet are 192 dot right 192 dot 192 dot 48.0, the first address. It means my first address means the network address. Then the last address is 192.192.63.255. It means the broadcasting address. Which of the following is the subnet mask of this subnet? Right. When you find the subnet mask, now you cannot get the subnet mask directly. So what you should do, I'm going to use this kind of a trick. After this broadcasting address, definitely there should be a network address. Therefore, I'm writing the address next to this. What is the address next to this? So 255 කියන එක වැඩි කරන්න බෑ. ඒක already ඉවර වෙලා තියෙන octet එක. ඒ නිසා මම මේක එකකින් වැඩි කරනවා. Next address is 192.192.64.0. හැම වෙලේම එක network address එකක ඉඳන් අනිත් network address එකකට එන්නේ අපි කොහොමද? block size එක එකතු කරලා. බලන්න block size එක add වෙලා තියෙන්නේ කීවෙනි octet එකකටද? 48 කියන එක 64 වෙලා තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් block size එක කීයද? 16. It means what? When you calculate the block size, 256 minus the changing octet in the subnet mask, I will take it as x to be equals to 16. Then the value of x to be equals to 240. 40. Yes, 240. Therefore, your subnet mask should be 255.240.0. This should be your answer for the question number 15, answer number 4. Neva horrible AC, right? Answer number 4. Then question number 16. Which of the following indicates the number of host bits and the number of IP addresses respectively in a class C network? Lamai, in a class C network, the default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. This is the default subnet mask. So if this is the default subnet mask, so you are asking the number of host bit. Number of host bit is 8. The number of IP addresses means they are not asking about the host. Therefore, you are not going to subtract 2. You have to take 2 to the power y. Not 2 to the power y minus 2. It means 2 to the power 8. It means 256. Answer should be the first one. First one. For the question number 16. Question number 17. You are requested to create 16 subnets with a class C IP. Which of the subnet mask is suited to create the subnet? So if you need 16 subnets, so 2 to the power x should equals to 16, x should equals to 4. You have to take 4 bits from the host part. It means your new subnet mask should equals to 255, 255, 255, 240. Answer should be the first one for the question number 17. Question number 18. Which class does the IP address 150.100.25.0 belongs? Class B. Answer should be the second one. Question number 19. Which of the following is a valid host IP address if the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Lamai, this is the default subnet mask of a class C network. Therefore, definitely, what they are asking, what is the valid host IP, right? Lamai, you have given the default subnet mask with IP address. Then default subnet mask එක දීලා තියෙනවා කියන්නේ class C වල අදාළ network එකේ මුල තුනම දැන් මේකනේ මේ තුනම වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහැ network part එක host part එක. ඒතර මේ host part එක විතරයි හැම වෙලෙම වෙනස් වෙන්නේ. අනික මේක subnetting වෙලත් නැහැනේ ළමයි. එතකොට මුල තියනවා කියලා හිතමු අපි මෙහෙම xxx කියලා. හැම වෙලෙම network address එක නම් බිඳුව එන්නේ host address එක broadcasting address එක නම් 255 එන්නේ. මුල ටික අපි දන්නේ නැහැ මොකද IP address එකක් මේක දීලා නැති නිසා. ඒතර මෙයා අහන්නේ question එකේ what is the valid host IP address? host එකකට දෙන්න පුළුවන් address එක. බිඳුව සහ 255 කියලා තිබ්බොත් හදිසියෙ හරි ඒක host එකකට දෙන්න පුළුවන් මේ network එකේ හැටියට බෑ. Because they are network and the broadcasting addresses. Therefore, your answer cannot be 0 or 255 at the last octet. Therefore, question number answer 1 is incorrect, answer 2 is incorrect, answer 4 is incorrect, last answer is definitely incorrect. Therefore, answer should be the third one. 255 හෝ බිඳුව අවසානයට නැත්තම් ඒ ඕන answer එකක් නිවැරදි. Right. Answer should be the third one. Fifth one එක නිවැරදි නොවෙන්නේ ඇයි? Because ඒක class C නෙමෙයි. හරි? class C නෙමෙයි 255න් පටන් ගන්න නිසා. Right. Then question number 20, the last question. What is the broadcasting address for the subnet 192.168.10.0/27? Okay. What is the broadcasting address 192.168.10.0/27? So this is a class C network. So you can see that this has been subnetted. So you have to find the number of subnets. So if you compare the default and the given subnet mask, you can see there are 3 host bit came to the network side. It means 2 to the power x should equals 2 to the power 3 equals 8. There are 8 networks. Always the first network is the network which has 0 in its host part. It means this one. Then to find the other networks, you have to find the block size. Block size is 256 minus 224. Why I got 224? Because if you convert this 27 into the subnet mask, you will get 255, 255, 255, 224. Therefore, the block size is 32. Then the next address is 192.168.10.32. Likewise, you can get all the subnets. But in this question, you are asking what is the broadcasting address of this network? Because in the question, you have given this network. Therefore, the broadcasting address of this network is 192.168.10.31. 31 means answer should be the first one for the question number 20. So that is the end of discussing from question 11 to 20. So we will be discussing the other questions from question number 21 to 30 in the other video. Right, we will meet in the next video.